So in this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step that how you can start your drop servicing business today, and I'll also show you all the freelancing platform from which you can get the clients and from which you can get the work done in the cheapest price. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Uzair from ways2sellonline.com, and I'm here to help you out to sell your products online and make money from that. So if you're trying to sell your physical products, your digital product, or your services, then you must need to know that how you can reach to your target audience that are actually looking to purchase your product. So on this channel, you can get regular videos on topics like these. So if you are new here, then make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel as well, so you can watch more videos like this. So let's have a look on the topic of today's video, which is drop servicing. So you might have heard about drop shipping, like in which you can just market someone else's product. For example, you have just picked up a product from AliExpress website that is selling for $5, and then you market that product on Facebook or on Instagram or any other social media platform for like $25, and then you put some money on ads, and then you can get some sales of that product. And then when you get the sale of that product, you can just place the order to the Chinese supplier, so they can just pick that product and ship to your customer directly. So in that way, you have purchased a cheap product for $5, and then you put some money on ads, for example $5. So you have spent $10 in purchasing a product and in advertising that product. And then you have sold that product for $25 and get $15 commission. So that is called drop shipping. But drop shipping limits to product selling. But if you are selling the services like this, like you have just sold a service for $200, and then when you receive the order, then you just hired a freelancer for a cheap price like $20, and then you can get that work done by that cheap freelancer, and then you can take the work and then deliver to the customer that paid you $200 for that service. That model is called drop servicing. But before getting started, I'm Uzair, and I sell my products on Amazon, eBay, Shopify, ClickFunnels, and Redbubble. And on this channel, I teach people like you that how you can do the same and build your online business. So if you like the video, then make sure to subscribe to the channel. Alright, so as you can see here, I'm on Fiverr.com, which is one of the biggest freelancing websites in the world. So here's a search bar where you can type any service name which you are looking for or which you are thinking to sell. So for example, I type Google Ads. So you can see that Fiverr is showing me some results, some freelancers that are giving me this service for their particular prices. Like you can see that this seller is level 1 seller, and he is giving me this service for $40. He is giving me this service for $245, $350, $155. So you can see that there are different freelancers demanding different prices for their services. You can see that this is a simple task like setting up a Google ad campaign or setting up a Google AdWords that you can just do, I can just do. Or if you don't know that how you can do that, you can just go on YouTube and you can just search how you can make a Google AdWords account or how you can run Google Ads. So you can just watch 2-3 videos like this, or you can just watch the video on my channel as well. So you will be able to learn in 30 minutes that how you can give that service. So the number one option is you can just put your gig on Fiverr and start giving that service, and when someone places the order, you can just learn that service and then you can just deliver the order to them. But what if you want to do only drop servicing? Like you don't want to learn that skill, you only have to put the gig on a Fiverr, and then when you get order, you want someone to get that task done very cheaply for you. So for that, you have to go on Upwork.com and hire someone very cheaply. So I'm going to show you that in a moment. But first of all, let's see how potential this gig is. So you can see that there are some people offering this service for $495, even $485 as well. So you can see that the potential of this service is that much. Like everyone is charging a super high amount for that, and you can see that there are 7,000 services available. So this number tells you the competition on Fiverr of that particular skill. So you can see that if this number is less than 10,000, then you can just sign up for Fiverr. You can put the gig, you can just put a good image and good title on your gig. And if the competition of that gig will be low, so you will be able to rank on first page when you get some reviews, and then you start getting too much orders. But what if this number is high? So I recommend you, if this number is lesser than 10,000, then you can make a gig. But if this number is more than 10,000, then you must need to avoid that service, because on that service on Fiverr, there are too much competition. For example, if I type logo design, so you can see that the results are more than 155,000. So you can see that if you put your gig, so it will be very hard for you to rank on first page. So you will get no orders. So you have to find out all their services that are having this number less than 10,000. So you will be able to rank and you will be able to get clients. So let's just open that gig. or we can see that, and let's just open that one. So you can see that this seller is having 3 orders in queue, and this seller is having 1 order in queue. So if you start checking one by one, so all these sellers will be having 2 orders, 3 orders, or 5 orders in queue. That means they are making a lot of money. So now the question is how you can just copy paste that model. So you have to just sign up for a Fiverr profile, and you have to find some gigs, some skills that are super high selling and having a good potential, and then you have to just start making your own gigs on that skills. And if you wanted to learn about how you can search some potential gigs, so I have made another video on my channel, so you can just go there and watch that video. So you will be able to learn that how you can just start researching some potential gigs and find out some gig ideas. But for now, for this video, the question is, if you get a client and you don't know anything about that skill, then how you can get that work done? So for that, you have to go on Upwork.com, and when you sign up there, you log into your profile, you have to just put the name of the skill in that search bar. For example, Google Ads. But before searching, make sure to click on that drop down menu and click on talent, because that will show you the freelancer that are giving that service. So then you have to type the name of that talent or that skill, like Google Ads. So when you click on search, you will be able to see some freelancers that are giving that services. So you can see that these are the freelancers that are top ranked. You can see that the job score is 100%, the job score is 100%, they are top rated, they are expert. So that's why their prices are too much high. You can see that her price is $65 per hour, his price is $105 per hour, but you don't have to hire that expensive talent for your purpose. So if you want to hire someone cheap from Upwork, so you have to go here. So you have to change the location from here to a very cheap country like Philippines. So you can see that when I click on Philippines, I will be able to see some freelancer from Philippines, and then you have to just search and find out the cheapest freelancer from here having very good rating. You can see that she is having very good rating, and she has already earned more than $100K from Upwork, but her pricing are very high, $50. You can see that if I go for this one, she's having a pricing for $15 per hour, and then $60. You can see that $10 per hour. So I like this freelancer because she's from Philippines, she is verified, she's having 99% job score, and she's a top rated plus, and her pricing per hour is 10.4. So for example, like I know that the task is not more than 1 or 2 hours. Like if you wanted to set up a Google AdWords account, it will take like 30 minutes. And if you wanted to set up a campaign, Google Ads campaign, then it will not take more than 1 hour. So for example, if you hire for maximum 2 hours, so that means you have to pay her $20. So in that way, you can see there the work that you can get done from Upwork website in just $20. You can sell that work here for more than $200, $300, and even $500. So this is how drop servicing works. You can just build your profiles on multiple freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or peopleperhour.com. And when you start getting some client, you can just outsource that work to a cheaper freelancer on any other website. So you can just get that work done by them very quickly and very cheaply. So let me just show you my Fiverr profile, that I'm also having a Fiverr profile, and you can see that I just tried Fiverr for more than 7 to 8 months, and you can see that my total earning is $7,874 from Fiverr, because I put some multiple gigs and after researching, and then when I got some clients, I got some orders, I just outsourced that task to some other freelancer and very cheaply. So you can see that I'm a level 2 seller on Fiverr, and you can see that these are the countries from where I got orders and I got clients. So if you wanted to learn more about Fiverr and Upwork, that how I made my profile, how I researched some gigs, how I got orders and how I got that orders done, and how I became a top rated seller on Upwork and level 2 on Fiverr, so you can just watch more videos on my channel in which I explain you in detail that how I earn money from these different ways or these different sources of income from online. So if you're interested in learning multiple ways, so make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel as well, so you can watch more videos regularly like this. And if you wanted to learn that how you can sell your products online and start making money from them, so make sure to check out the description of this video, because you can find many useful links in there. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.